Council meeting for the approval of the annual budget, that is for the next financial year 2016-17. This was a historic occasion because in this new premises, which is a heritage building, this was the first occasion of a budget of the municipal council being presented in this heritage beautiful building. Which among the salient features, this is basically a surplus budget where there is a surplus of about 6 crores. The total receipts are 51 crores 23 lakhs to the 200, and the expenditure is 45 crores 92 lakhs 88,200. So there is a surplus of 6 crores. Coming to the main salient features of this year's budget, for the first time in the history of Mapusa Municipal Council, there are certain newly allocated areas. Like first time, this Mapusa Municipal Council has earmarked an allocation of 1 crore rupees, 100 lakh rupees of funds from the municipal funds for development of gardens, for development and maintenance of gardens, because it's a commitment. Very often council is accused of going for concretization. When we go for increasing our revenue by way of creation of new stalls in the municipal market or other commercially viable areas, and we go for auctioning of those. This year, of course, we had a 50% reservation for Mapusa residents. But basically, when we propose some structures, like we are accused of concretization, going for just revenue generation. This is a social obligation. Investment for the future, investment in the children, which will be the future citizens of this country. We are allocated 1 crore, first time in the history of this council, which will enable us to undertake development of new gardens in various wards as per the requirement. In this next financial year, we can create about 5 to 6 gardens from this fund.